Hey guys, Matt with Yacht Partners here. Just wanted to give you a quick video on my newest listing, the 2019 Cobia 301. From the factory, you're getting the 2019 Yamaha 300s.
Okay.
The head comes with the boat. The windlass that was in there before was replaced to fit a more avid fisherman with this easy puller, which is also about a $5,000 piece of equipment. Makes it so you can eliminate all the anchor line being in the bottom. There's I think it's 500 feet on there, and it's the special paracord to where it makes it stronger and it's thinner. It gets up on there and spools itself up, and you got about, like, I don't know, I think that's 50 feet of chain. So pretty much all you do is unlock the leash, hit this button, it free spools down to the bottom. Once you feel like you got enough out, you just push up on it, that clutch comes back in, bam, you're locked in on the anchor. So up here you've got plenty of storage. Take off these cushions, plenty of storage in there to put any waters, ice, towels, anything you need. If you close that one up, come over here, you've got your forward bilge, which also has plenty of storage. So up here, we've got a bow table that folds into the deck here. And up here also, you've got 2 rod holders each side, 1 cup holder each side, and you've got the Easy Puller 4 windlass, which is controlled by the helm. And all you got to do to lift up this table is push this button. So additional to the bow storage here, you've also got storage here in the deck on both port and starboard. You can also put fish in there, whatever you may need. And then back here, you've also got macerated fish boxes. If you look here at the helm, we've got all Garmin displays. We've got your Yamaha display and also a Furuno bottom machine. Up top, you've got your radar. You've got a little storage space here. Storage space here. JL audio throughout the boat. There, and actually right here. And up here you've got your Easy 4 anchor puller. Here's the control for that. All can be done effortlessly from the helm.